A very good morning to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of PB Fintech Limited, we extend a very warm welcome to everyone for joining us here this early in the morning for a truly memorable occasion. Post the successful IPO, ladies and gentlemen, we're here to commemorate this joyous and significant milestone of the listing of PB Fintech Limited in the August portals of the National Stock Exchange. Ladies and gentlemen, before we begin, I request everyone to kindly stand for the national anthem.
उत्कलवङ्गा विन्ध्य हिमाचल यमुना गङ्गा उच्चल जलधितरङ्गा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you so much. Kindly take your seats, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the saga of the journey from an idea to a unicorn culminating in an IPO and today's listing. It all started in the year 2008 after the global financial meltdown. Not a great year to start a new venture. But here we are today as great excellences are built in the depths of character. IIT and IIM alumni Yashish Dahiya and Alok Bansal came together with an idea and nurtured it with their passion, energy, excitement, and never say die attitude. The men behind the success story of PB Fintech put their heart and soul in building an idea that changed the dynamics of India's insurance and lending industry. They survived, thrived, and were soon crowned as the sultans of the insurance segment that they choose to operate in. Ladies and gentlemen, PB Fintech has built India's largest online platform for insurance, Policybazaar, and for lending products, Paisabazaar, leveraging the power of technology, data, and innovation. In fiscal 2020, Policybazaar was India's largest digital insurance marketplace among all online insurance distributors, with 93.4% market share based on number of policies sold. Before Policybazaar's existence, insurance was never purchased. It was essentially just sold in India. Owing to the brand's customer-driven approach, the team at Policybazaar was able to revolutionize the perception around how insurance is bought in India. The vision of Yashish Dahiya and Alok Bansal here was to safeguard India's middle-class segment, which was unprepared to handle a financial mess like death, disease, or disability. For the first time, ladies and gentlemen, consumers were making an informed decision by choosing insurance products according to their own needs. Since the last 13 years, Yashish and the team have spent time educating consumers on the products that bridge the protection gap in India. Having tasted success in running Policybazaar, Yashish and Alok then wanted to venture into credit and savings, an important financial need for consumers after insurance. The idea behind the company was to have a one-stop online platform, giving Indians a chance to compare the best financial deals available from a variety of players and apply for them. Today, Paisa Bazaar, ladies and gentlemen, is India's largest consumer credit marketplace with a 51.4% market share based on dispersals in fiscal 2020. And I guess that deserves a round of applause, everyone. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to begin with, we have here with us today the two stalwarts who started the revolution, the leadership team from PB Fintech Limited. Mr. Yashish Dahiya, Chairman and CEO, PB Fintech Limited. And Mr. Alok Bansal, Whole-time Director and CFO, PB Fintech Limited. Warm welcome to you. Would also like to extend a warm welcome to the book running lead managers and the distinguished guests. Would also like to welcome our host for today, Mr. Vikram Lamai, MD and CEO, NSC. May I request Mr. Vikram Lamai also to please come on stage. And now, ladies and gentlemen, moving on, we'll be commencing the auspicious occasion by lighting of the ceremonial lamp, for which I would request the following dignitaries to please join them on stage. Mr. Sarbvir Singh, CEO, PolicyBazaar.com. Mr. Naveen Kukureja, CEO, PaisaBazaar.com. Mr. Nilesh Bhaskar Sathe, Independent Director, PB Fintech Limited. Mr. Kaushik Datta, Independent Director, PB Fintech Limited. Ms. Veena Vikas Mankar, Independent Director, PB Fintech Limited. And Ms. Lillian Jessie Paul, Independent Director, PB Fintech Limited. Now we'll be having the lamp lighting ceremony. Yes, may I request the dignitaries to please, yes, light the lamp. Yes, can we have the photo up, please? I request all the dignitaries to please stand near the lamp for the photo op. Thank you so much for joining us for the lighting of the auspicious ceremonial lamp. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a ceremony, a tradition of a new and prosperous beginning for PB Fintech Limited. Thank you once again. Now, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Jayashankar Venkatraman, Whole-time Director and Head of Equity Product Group at Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited, to share his thoughts on this auspicious occasion. Let's have a huge round of applause for him. Warm welcome to you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of PB Fintech Limited, and the book runners to the IPO. I take great pleasure in extending a very warm welcome to each one of you present here today and watching this momentous listing ceremony via live streaming. We at Kotak are proud to be the left lead joint global coordinator and book running lead manager to the IPO of India's largest digital marketplace platform for insurance and consumer credit products. Insurance worldwide is usually seen by consumers as a complex to understand push product. In contrast, Policybazaar has redefined the way Indian consumers buy insurance, providing them choice, transparency, convenience, and speed by leveraging the power of technology, data, and innovation. Yashish and Alok, you have created this digital insurance marketplace category and built an undisputed market leadership over the years by focusing relentlessly on the consumer solving various problems while buying insurance products. This relentless consumer focus has enabled Policybazaar build a strong brand, generate strong organic traffic directly, thereby not reducing just the cost of acquisition, but also building a strong moat around its business. PB Fintech has no direct listed peer in India or globally, and this gives us all a measure of how unique PB Fintech is even in the global stage. You have leveraged this experience taking good strides in the large consumer credit market as well through Paisabazaar. During the roadshows, investors appreciated PB Fintech's asset-light business model. It's demonstrated strong growth of new and renewal premiums at scale, operating leverage, and the huge runway to create long-term value. The IPO received very enthusiastic response from over 100 anchor investors. Institutional participation includes a long list of marquee investors from long-only FPIs, sovereign funds, pension funds, global funds, technology funds, emerging market funds, and from India, the mutual funds, insurance companies, and various other categories. The retail response was also very robust, with over 11 lakh retail applicants participating. We'd like to once again thank Yashish, Alok, members of the board, the marquee sponsor team of PB Fintech, comprising InfoEdge, SoftBank, Temasek, who are present here today, and many other investors, for giving us an opportunity to be part of this spectacular IPO journey. We'd also like to thank Sarveer, who heads Policybazaar, Naveen, who heads Paisabazaar, Manoj, Bhaskar, Rusleen, Vivek, and many others who have worked tirelessly during the entire IPO process, and also to the stalwarts of PB Fintech who are all present here today who have built this business. We would like to thank NSE for hosting this listing ceremony in this great ambience, and to SEBI for being so helpful in creating this entire ecosystem for digital tech companies like PB Fintech to go public. We extend our best wishes to PB Fintech on this momentous listing occasion and for the journey ahead. Thank you.
Yes, so may I request you to please be on stage? Yes. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite the man of the moment, Mr. Yashish Dahiya, Chairman and CEO, PB Fintech Limited, to address this August gathering. Warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much to the NSE for organizing this beautiful event. Thank you to all our investors, InfoEdge, Inventus, SoftBank, Temasek, Premji, So thank you all very much. Thank you to all the bankers, and special thanks to all the management team who've been in this journey all along. I'll take a moment to explain what we are doing and why we are doing it. So I got 5 minutes. I'll probably spend 2 minutes on this. Long ages ago, when the world was an agrarian economy, the people were dependent on their cows. If somebody's cow died, their livelihood would be hammered. In that situation, the villages, what they used to do was they used to put a certain small amount of money together, every family, so that whoever's cow dies could buy a new cow. This was the basis on which people could fearlessly do their agriculture. I think as we went about 1 generation, 2 generations ago, most people used to live in a joint family. So if a person fell sick, if a person expired, their family took care of them, their children, etc. Today, India has shifted. Today, most people are living in nuclear families. Today, if somebody expires, or somebody falls sick, or somebody is disabled, there is a very big problem. And I just heard Jai Shankar say that there is no peer in the world for Policy Bazaar. There is a reason for that. This problem is very specific to India. The developed world has got the solution in terms of universal healthcare, universal security, etc., etc. Most of the developing world doesn't have a PB, honestly. They don't have a Policy Bazaar, so nobody's really figured this out for them. But we are very lucky in India, and we are very lucky as a company to have had this opportunity to solve this particular problem, where for people, we can educate people for the need for health insurance and life insurance. The penetration is still very low, and we have a long way to go. This is an absolutely virtual product. There is no physical good that moves. It's an entirely data-driven product. Your entire risk depends upon the health of the individual, the life expectancy of the individual. In addition to Policy Bazaar, we have Paisa Bazaar, which does pretty much the same thing on lending. That's the other requirement of people. So both of these are very necessity products. They are not a very fashionable product, they're a very necessity product. I specifically want to take this moment to also bring out something special about Policy Bazaar. In the last 13 years, and Alok will go through some of these numbers at a later stage, we have had a huge retention of management. So I know that there are more than 50 people who've been with us for longer than 10 years. And you can imagine we were a very small company 10 years ago, so that's a lot of people that were there. And a lot of our people leave us and keep coming back. There's a family orientation to this. And that family orientation comes because we all feel for each other. We all believe in this cause, whether it's on the Policy Bazaar side or the Paisa Bazaar side. We all believe in this cause and we are in it together to solve for it. And I think I'm very blessed to be speaking on behalf. I think 99% of the work has been done by you. I have also done 1%. I always make sure I do that. But I'm very grateful for all of you to be here. And most importantly, I'm very grateful my parents are here today. It's very rare that, they say, मतलब किसी को भी सब कुछ नहीं मिलता. I think I have got everything with my parents being here. So I'm very, very happy about that and very proud about that. Thank you so much.
So may I request you to please be on stage? Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for inspiring us. Thank you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite the host for today, Mr. Vikram Limai, MD and CEO, NSE, to share a few words. Warm welcome to you.
Morning, everyone. Mr. Yashish Dahiya, Mr. Alok Bansal, other board members of PB Fintech, and other dignitaries present. A very good morning and a very warm welcome to everyone on this listing ceremony of PB Fintech Limited, India's leading online platform for insurance and lending products. Policy Bazaar and Paisa Bazaar are both market leaders in insurance and credit products sold through digital channels. With rapid digitization, the future of digital commerce in India is very promising. The ease and convenience of the digital medium has significantly increased the pace of transactions over the last few years. The impact of COVID-19 has further propelled the digital adoption. These factors offer immense opportunities to players including PB Fintech Limited. NSE, with its focus on technology, has been a pioneer in creating platforms to support companies as they begin their journey in the public markets. The listing of PB Fintech further propels the story of Public Market Association for new economy companies with scalable business models. The success stories of the recently listed new age tech companies have been instrumental in creating a new ecosystem of entrepreneurs and investors. Indian markets have accepted the business models of these companies, which cannot be evaluated through conventional metrics. The successful listing of PB Fintech on NSE marks an important milestone for the company, and we do hope that they can deepen and broaden their investor base. We do hope that in the next few years, PB Fintech will meet the aspirations of new investors who are joining their shareholder family. We're extremely happy to host all of you here as you embark on this new journey, and our best wishes to the company and the management team. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir, may I request you to please be on stage. Thank you so much, sir. And sir, may I request you please be on stage as we'll be commemorating the significance of this event where we'll have an exchange of mementos. So may I request Vikram sir to please be on stage. He'll be presenting special mementos to our esteemed dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. So please once again put your hands together for Mr. Yashish Dahiya, Chairman and CEO, PB Fintech Limited. Thank you. And may I request, now may I request Mr. Alok Bansal, whole-time Director and CFO, PB Fintech Limited, to please come on stage. Thank you so much, sir, for doing the honors. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to invite on stage Mr. Ajay Saraf, Executive Director and Head, Investment Banking and Institutional Equities, ICICI Security, to share a few words on the success of PB Fintech Limited. Warm welcome to you, sir.
Friends, ladies and gentlemen, at ICICI Securities, it was our great pleasure to be associated and to bring PB Fintech to the Indian capital markets. The PB Fintech, as you know, is the largest online insurance distribution platform, Policybazaar, as well as the largest online lending product distribution platform, the Paisabazaar. What Yeses and Yalok have built in Policybazaar is an iconic company, bursting many myths along the way. I may want to list few of them. Can a distributor even be bigger than the manufacturer? Well, globally, value migration and shift of the pricing power away from the OEs towards the distributors is a very well-established trend. On an annual premium basis, PB is already bigger than several insurance companies in India across life and non-life. In terms of premium growth, Policybazaar is growing faster than the insurers, and in terms of market cap, PB will be the top 5th largest listed insurance plays in the market. Second one, need to burn billions of dollars to create value. What a remarkable, in the entire value of US dollar 6 billion and counting has been just created with 150 million of capital. And that's a return of investment of massive 40x. And the company remains cash rich with almost $500 million in cash post-IPO. The next one, you need to pay big top dollars to the likes of Google, Facebook to get customer traffic. Here, more than 80% of the traffic is organic, where the customer come directly to the platform. No other platform comes anywhere close to this number. We can go on several firsts that Yeses and Alok and his team have done. More importantly, they have remained humble and well-grounded with strong focus on their business. Both are one of the most approachable founders you will find anywhere. All of these points to a unique culture that has been built at PB Fintech and places the company in a very good position for a strong and profitable growth ahead. With a long runway ahead for the sector, we are sure PB Fintech will create significant value for all its stakeholders. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite the PB Fintech Limited management to present special mementos to some very special partners whose contributions have been invaluable in the successful listing of PB Fintech Limited. So once again, Yashish sir and Alok sir, may I request you to please come on stage. Firstly, yes, I'd like to invite on stage Ms. Veena Vikas Mankar, Independent Director, PB Fintech Limited, to please come and collect the memento. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now may I request Mr. Nilesh Bhaskar Sathe, Independent Director, PB Fintech Limited, to please come on stage. Thank you so much, sir. Now may I request Mr. Kaushik Datta, Independent Director, PB Fintech Limited, to please come on stage. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Ms. Lillian Jessie Paul, Independent Director, PB Fintech Limited, to please come on stage. Thank you, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me in welcoming Ms. Kitty Agarwal from InfoEdge. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Parag Dhol from Inventus. Thank you so much, sir. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please help me in welcoming on stage Mr. Mohit Bhandari from Temasek Holdings. Thank you so much, sir. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Atul Gupta from Premji Invest. Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Nikhil and Mr. Puneet from Steadview Capital. Thank you so much, sir. Now may I request and invite on stage Mr. Maninder Juneja from True North. Thank you so much, sir. Now may I request and invite on stage Mr. T.C. Meenakshi Sundaram from Chirate Ventures. Warm welcome to you. Now, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Munish Verma from SoftBank. Thank you so much, sir. Now I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Jayashankar Venkatraman from Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited. Thank you so much, sir. Now may I request to please and invite on stage Mr. Kamal Yadav from Morgan Stanley India Company Private Limited. Please. Thank you so much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, I request you please put your hands together for Mr. Ajay Saraf from ICICI Securities Limited. Thank you so much, sir. Now may I request and invite on stage Mr. Ravi Kapoor from Citigroup Global Markets India Private Limited. Thank you so much, sir. Now may I request Mr. Kunur Bavishi from IIFL Securities Limited to please come on stage. Thank you, sir. Now may I request Mr. Mohit Pandey from Jefferies India Private Limited to please come on stage. Thank you so much, sir. Now may I request and invite on stage Mr. Ashwini Tandon from HDFC Bank Limited. Warm welcome to you. Thank you so much, sir. Now may I request and invite on stage Mr. Yash Jagdish Ashar from Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas. Thank you, sir. Now may I request and invite on stage Ms. Ruth and Mr. Sanjeev Shardul from Amarchand Mangaldas. Thank you so much. Now may I request, and please put your hands together for Mr. Rajesh Chaturvedi from Ad Factors Advertising and PR. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Now may I request and invite on stage Mr. Vikram Limai from NSE. Warm welcome to you. Thank you so much, sir. And now I would like to invite on stage Mr. Kishore Thakkar from Link Inc. Time. With that, thank you so much, sir, for, giving out the mementos and for presenting this beautiful, beautiful gesture. Thank you once again. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to call upon Mr. Ravi Kapoor, Head of Banking, Capital Markets and Advisory, Citigroup Global Markets India Private Limited, to address this August gathering. Warm welcome to you.
Good morning, everyone. Yashish, Alok, management team of Policy Bazaar, thank you so much for giving us this invitation to speak here for a few words. First of all, many congratulations on a massive success of your IPO. It's been a landmark IPO, a true testament of the company which you have built, the quality of the company, the length and the depth of the business which you have built on this very personal finance platform. Very soon, you'll see the unlocking of the value, which all of you and your investors, your management team has very, very assiduously built up over many years. So many congratulations on this success. Thank you for making us a part of this journey. We are delighted. And we wish you all the very best as you go along, listing this company in the public marketplace, as well as many, many years forward to come. I am sure as you've taken care of your customers, your policyholders, you will take care of your new set of 400,000 new investors who have joined your shareholder registers. So thank you for giving us this opportunity again. Many congratulations and wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much, sir. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to call upon stage Mr. Kamal Yadav, MD, Morgan Stanley India Company Private Limited, to share a few words on success of PB Fintech Limited. Warm welcome to you.
Good morning, everyone. As I was just reminded that there are too many speeches, I'll keep mine to the minimum. From the day I met Yashish and Alok for the first time 7 years back, I checked my mails. It was September 2014. I would say they have been consistently one of the most transparent, candid entrepreneurs we have interacted with in India. Kudos. In Indian public markets, we definitely need more entrepreneurs like you. Today is a pivotal moment, not just for Yashish, Alok, Saravi, Naveen, but the entire PB management team, all its stakeholders, but also for entrepreneurs in India. As they build businesses through ups and downs, with grit, passion, managing curveballs, left side events which they did not anticipate, but still create businesses which are national champions and winners in India. And thank you for that, Yashish, Alok, because you inspire a lot of people. PB Fintech has redefined insurance buying in this country. They're protecting families against death, disease, and disability, something we truly need as a nation. And again, I think this is something we have been very proud of to have partnered with you. As Morgan Stanley, and I'm sure I'm speaking on behalf of all the banks, we are very proud to have partnered with you in this landmark IPO. We did choose Project Ironman as the code for this IPO. I would say Yashish, Alok, the true Ironman has just started. We are very sure that you will have a wonderful race for quarters, years, and decades to come, and wish you the very best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for the well wishes. Thank you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Sarbhavir Singh, CEO, PolicyBazaar.com. Very, very warm welcome to you.
Good morning, everyone. I'd at least like the management team to say good morning. Thank you. This is an amazing moment. I'd actually like to start with a very personal note. Sir is here, and I still remember the day when Yashish was a young boy, and his father came to drop him to Nilgiri Hostel. I don't know, it was 1990 or whatever, and he, at that time he recognized me. Today I'm not sure he does. And he said that, please take care of my son. And our fathers had served together, so, we knew of each other, I would say. And, that was the day when I first saw Yashish. There have been amazing moments from when we started. He was very much like he is today, fairly clueless about most things, but very determined. So one thing I will say is that he has always been determined. We had some great times, and for me, it's a personal, privilege and real amount of pride to see where he has been able to take this company, and for all of you to be here on this occasion. So I just wanted to recognize that, Yashish. It's amazing. Clap, guys. Come on. Secondly, of course, to recognize Alok. I think, again, I've known Alok, since the time they started this company. I have met them on various occasions, both personally and professionally. And to see him grow from where he started today to, I would say, fearlessly leading our group. And when I say fearless, I would say that most people in our company are very fearful of him. So I would like to thank him and recognize him for that. The second folks that I would like to recognize are the management team of Policybazaar and Paisabazaar. I think very few of them are here, but I would like to take some names, and please forgive me if I forget to say a few people. Tarun, Santosh, Dhruv, Neeraj, Saurabh, Jerry, who is, the sort of soul of Policybazaar, Sharath, who is our Chief Operating Officer, And then I'd like to recognize the finance team led by Manoj, Bhaskar, Vivek. And then, of course, Rasleen, I can't see her, there she is. Rasleen is the conscience of Policy Bazaar. I also want to take a moment to recognize the people who are not in this room. To be honest, while the people in this room get a lot of the credit, I have to say that the credit actually doesn't go to any of us. It goes to the nearly 10,000 advisors who work 365 days a year. And these people, these men and women are remarkable. I have, over the course of many years of my professional career, seen many companies, but I would say that the dedication and the level of discipline that our advisors have is amazing. And they work day in and day out. And as I always say, they are the reason for Policy Bazaar and Paisa Bazaar's success. The rest of us, we ride on it. And of course, we pretend to manage them. But I think they are the reason, and anything that we can do to make their lives better is little. And I just again want to recognize them. I want to recognize our sales team, also who work very, very hard, and of course all other teams. I do, tech, product, everybody. But the sales and service team of Policy Bazaar and Paisa Bazaar are truly amazing, and I just want you guys to applaud once more for them. Finally, of course, we are here to celebrate the listing of PB Fintech. This is an amazing moment. I just want to take a minute to welcome all the retail investors who will become part of this journey. I want to assure you that as a management team, we will try our level best. So far, all investors in Policy Bazaar have made money. It's a great amount of pride that we all take in that fact. And we would like to assure the retail investors that we will do our best to keep this streak up, and we will work extremely hard. I would also like to, say that there will be some moments. We will not always be able to go in a straight line. There will be some quarters when things may work out, when things may not work out also. I just would request your patience, and I'm, just want to assure you that our intent is very deep. As Yashish explained, we are a mission-driven company. We are not here just to make money or to earn commission. We are here because India's middle class needs protection against death, disease, and disability. And this is something that we take very, very seriously. We work hard every day. And I want to assure you that every quarter, every year, we will keep going and we will do our best to make sure that Indians are protected. And I think along the way, if we succeed in that mission, then I'm sure that our retail investors and our new investors who are joining us at this time will also do well and will hopefully make lots of money. So I just want to assure you of our intent. Finally, I think, this is again just an amazing moment for me personally, and I'm grateful to you all for being here. And I'm grateful to Yashish and Alok for having made me part of this company. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Naveen Kukureja, CEO, PaisaBazaar.com. Warm welcome to you.
Thank you. Good morning, everybody. It really is a very, very proud moment, and at the same time very humbling to be standing here and to be part of the historic moment that we are all witnessing for the company. Before I thank my fellow colleagues and customers, I recall a couple of anecdotes that I would like to share. I remember that in 2013, when I was still working with an insurance company in Aviva, I got a call from Yashish. Yashish and I had interacted professionally as partners for about 2 years till then. I got a call from him, and he said that, hey, I'm running this insurance platform, and we are very clear on what we want to build, and we're building out, but we also have an idea around lending, and I would like you to come and join us and build that out. And I was very excited about that because I'd seen what the marketplaces can do in terms of scale and capturing the market from the experience in UK. And I took the decision to go ahead. And I remember this was 2013 end, and there was a regulation that came out at the same time, which was essentially making the business difficult to sustain and the revenue difficult to keep. And I got inputs from a lot of people within the company that I was in and outside that, why are you joining? It's difficult to kind of make money and the business may not be viable. But I'd seen Yashish go through a very similar regulation back in 2011, so I was very confident. I was very confident about the fundamental part of the business that they were trying to build in insurance, and we would try to build in the lending. So would like to thank both Yashish and Alok for giving me the opportunity to join and build out the Paisabazaar side of the business. The second incident I recall was a couple of years, or maybe 1.5 years after I had joined. We were not the largest at that time. Paisabazaar was not the largest when we joined. We were number 4 or 5 player in the market. We were trying to grow fast. And sometime in 2014 end or 15 beginning, Policybazaar managed to raise 47 million. We were very, very elated about it. But a few months from that, the lending competitor of ours raised 50 million only for the lending side of the business. And we saw a lot of anxiety amongst the investors. We saw a lot of questions being asked on, do we really want to go after the lending business now that a competitor has raised so much money for lending? And I again remember very vividly that Yashish asked me this question on, and there was a discussion around M&A, and he asked me this question on, what do you think? And I told him that if I get fighting capital, we will beat them in a short time. And I'm thankful that he showed trust, and we got the right amount of capital and confidence, and we were able to answer the investor questions. And we went ahead and beat the competition in the lending business in about 1.5 years from that. So thank you both Yashish and Alok for that. Another very small anecdote, on the day or in the week that I had joined, a couple of my friends and colleagues who were sitting there, I don't have their consent, so I won't take their name. They asked me the question on drinks that, why exactly have you joined? It was a difficult time. We had very less funds. There was a regulation which was not very pro-insurance distribution. And said, why have you joined? What's the real reason for you to join? And I said, I believed in the business. And we were all laughing about that, but hopefully we can laugh with the right intent today when the company lists. Finally, like Sarveer mentioned, I think while we've been representing the company, would like to thank a few stakeholders. Firstly, starting with the employees who've been there, who've worked hard. Like he said, that a few of us are here today representing the entire company, but employees across Paisabazaar and Policybazaar, people who've been around for 10 years plus in Policybazaar, about 6 years plus in Paisabazaar, they've all played and worked really, really hard in building and getting us where we are today. Would like to thank the consumers who have trusted us, 24 million plus consumers for Paisabazaar and many millions for Policybazaar. They've trusted us, bought products from us, helped us grow, helped us learn, given us feedback, and helped us reach here. Would like to thank the stakeholders, the shareholders and investors and the board, and would like to welcome the retail investors who are coming on board from starting today. And like was mentioned, that we would really work hard to try and live up to the expectations that all of these stakeholders would have from us. So on that note, thank you once again, and proud to be here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Alok Bansal, whole-time director and CFO, PB Fintech Limited, to share the vote of thanks. Warm welcome to you.
Hi, good morning, everyone. I think I've got about 3 minutes, so I'll try to talk faster than I usually talk. Okay, so I have a script because I didn't want to miss any name. And once the storm is over, you won't remember how you made it through, how you managed to survive. You won't even be sure whether the storm is really over. But the one thing is certain, when you come out of the storm, you won't be the same person who walked in. That's what this storm is all about. These lines by Haruki Murakami aptly define the journey of 13 plus years. We have a long list of people who believe in the idea of Policybazaar alongside us and have been around us as support, advisor, sounding board, and sometimes critic as well. It might not be possible to call out everyone right now, but we remember all fondly at this milestone event in our journey. We like to acknowledge the effort of all the team members of Policybazaar and Paisabazaar, especially 50 plus team members who have completed more than 10 years in a company which is just 13 years old. It is important to recognize that we have a business because the ecosystem accepted us. We'd like to thank our partners, both insurance companies and bank and NBFCs for their continued support. We would also like to mention the role played by the insurance regulator IRDAI for their guidance at all times. We have been blessed to have got early support from InfoEdge at Investor, with Sanjeev becoming more like a mentor than just an investor over time. Over years, we had the opportunity to have a lot more marquee names like Intel Capital, Inventors, Tiger Global, Ribbit, Temasek, Premji Invest, TEDview, True North, Chirate, SoftBank, Tencent, Falcon Edge, and many more on the cap table. And I'd like to thank each one of them individually. The role played by advisors sometimes does not come to the fore. They have helped us navigate through some tough times, and we would like to specifically call out PricewaterhouseCoopers as auditors, Samvad Partners and Tullian Company as our counsels over the years. We are not able to do justice by not being able to name everyone, but we are sure they know the role they have played in our journey. Okay. I've been told that the listing is just on, so I'll just quickly go through that. We have got independent directors, we all know who they are, and obviously the deal team, all the advisors and all the company people who have worked very hard on this. Lastly, just before we wrap up, I'd like to say, सफ़र लंबा है और आसान भी नहीं, हर किसी को आहिस्ता चलना कहाँ आता है. Thank you very much, and maybe now come on.
Please, sir, please be on stage. I would request Mr. Yashish Dahiya and his family, Mr. Alok Bansal and his family, Mr. Sarbir Singh, Mr. Naveen Kukreja, and Mr. Vikram Lamai to please quickly come on stage for the moment that we all have been eagerly waiting for. And PB Fintech Limited is officially listed on the National Stock Exchange, ladies and gentlemen. Hearty congratulations. Hearty congratulations to PB Fintech Limited. Thank you so much. Alok, sir, would you like to continue your speech? Thank you so much. Yes. Once again, congratulations to PB Fintech Limited, which is now officially listed on the stock exchanges. It's truly been a milestone, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you once again, and we are extremely, yes.